5 online jobs that pay $20 an hour. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about the top 5 jobs that pay up to $20 per hour. These jobs are beginner friendly and they don't require you to have any experience whatsoever. So make sure to watch this video with full focus, and now let's get into the video. Number 1. So at number 1 we have transcription jobs. So as you guys know, transcription jobs have been lately very in trend, and over here if you guys were to come on to Go Transcript, well then this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. Now from over here you guys can basically see that these jobs are going to pay upwards of up to $0.6 per audio or video minute that you guys transcribe, and the average monthly earnings on Go Transcript for a transcriber are up to $1,215. Now over here you guys can also see that they're super legit. They take care of their employees very carefully, and these are all the different languages that you guys can work in when you are working on Go Transcript. So guys, Go Transcript is actually a very amazing website. So click on apply now if you want to work as a transcriber, and then Go Transcript is going to ask you to basically make an account. Once you guys make this account, after that you guys can basically get started with their transcription jobs, and you will be able to of course get started right away. Now guys, this was the first website that I have for you for transcription jobs. On second number we also have transcribeme.com. So guys, transcribeme.com is another amazing platform through which you guys can basically transcribe your audio and video files. They give you complete guarantee over your security, and they also give you affordable solutions, and they have some very amazing topics on which you guys can do your transcription on. Over here you guys can also see that you can get a free code from Transcribe Me, and then over here you guys can also see all the different testimonials that they have from their customers. So to get started, scroll down at the very end, and now from over here you guys can basically choose the type of transcription that you want to do. So after that of course you guys can simply click on the top right on jobs, and then that's gonna show you all the jobs that are available. So over here you guys can see that you can make upwards of up to $15 to $22 per audio hour, and their top monthly earnings are going to be at $2,200 per month, and they also give you advancement opportunities for their special themes, and you guys can also grow and learn. They also have flexibility as well, and all in all they are very amazing to get started with. So simply click on get started, and then that's gonna take you guys over to another page. Now from over here simply create a new account, and you guys can simply get started right away with transcribeme.com. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with these transcription jobs. And of course you guys can also explore on Fiverr as well. You guys can create a gig on Fiverr that can also help you guys basically get more orders, but of course you guys have the option to of course get started from these particular options. So guys, these were the transcription jobs. Now let's move on to the second type of jobs that we have for you, which are data entry jobs. So guys, data entry jobs have been in trend since the dawn of time, because everybody wants to start out as a data entry person because they want to get money right away, and then after that of course they want to slowly scale up and they want to explore different skills. But data entry has been known to be the best type of skill if you want to of course get started right away with making money. So over here if you guys were to come on to upwork.com, you guys can see many different data entry options. So over here this particular person is basically gonna pay you $100, and you just have to build some Google Sheets. Over here this person is also going to hire you for some data entry work, this person as well, and then of course this person too, this person as well. And all in all of course you guys can explore, and you will be able to of course get started right away. You guys can also explore on indeed.com as well. Over here you guys can of course also make some really good money, and from over here you guys can of course just choose your location, and you will be able to of course find the jobs based on that particular location. So now from over here if I were to type in some other country or some other city, well then after that of course we will be able to see more jobs, but of course you guys have the option to of course explore jobs from over here. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to also explore many different data entry jobs over here as well. And of course you guys can also get some really good jobs from LinkedIn as well if you have a very strong profile over there on LinkedIn. So guys, these were the data entry job options that I had for you guys in this video, and of course you guys can always check out different options as well, but these were just some options that I had for you right away while I was making this video. So guys, that is how basically you guys can get started as a data entry specialist. And now let's move on to The third type of job that's gonna pay you $20 an hour are basically language tutors. If you guys can teach a language that is not very common, for example, if you know English, well, there are many people who are willing to teach English, so of course the pay is not gonna be higher. But if you guys know Korean, if you guys know Japanese, if you guys know German, if you guys know any other language that is not as common as English, well then of course you guys can teach that language and you can make good money. So over here you guys can basically see that people are posting so many opportunities for people who know Korean, for people who know German, for people who even know English as well. And over here you guys can also see that this person needs a native Italian teacher. So like all in all, there are French options as well, there are Russian options as well. So like all in all, like this is how you guys can of course make money as well. If you guys know any language that is not as common as English, that is a great opportunity for you guys to make money with. So if I were to simply click on load more jobs, that's gonna show us more jobs from over here. You guys can basically see German tutor jobs, you guys can see of course more jobs as well, and all in all there are just so many jobs over here. So guys, that is how you can get started with tutor jobs, and of course you guys can make really good money if you guys were to like just give it some time. And over here, if you guys were to come on to teachaway.com, over here you guys can also see that there are some jobs available. Of course now from over here you guys can of course explore more options, but there are jobs available on this website as well, and you guys can definitely get started with those. So guys, this was the third option that I had for you. Now let's move on to the fourth option. The fourth option are web designing jobs. Now guys, web designing jobs is probably the highest paying jobs in this category because these jobs can pay upwards of up to $30 to even $40 an hour if you guys were to work on this particular skill. So over here you guys can see that people are hiring Wix website creator to up level and refine website, and they're paying $400 for that. Now, over here someone is paying $86, and over here someone is paying $1,000. So like again, like the opportunities are there. All you need is just the skill, and if you guys were to acquire this skill, then I guarantee that you guys are going to be able to make really good money, and you guys are going to be thanking me later because the opportunities available for this type of skill are limitless. So guys, of course you guys can get web designing jobs from over here as well, and then also you guys can get web designing jobs from rosie.pk and also indeed.com as well. And of course it all depends upon your experience level. The higher your experience level or the more skill you have, the easier it's going to be to grab these jobs. But of course you guys can explore and you will be able to make money with this skill. So guys, this was the fourth skill. Now let's move on to the fifth skill that I have for you, which is online service. Now online service is perhaps the easiest one on this whole list. This by far is going to give you the option to of course like just do these surveys and you will be able to make money. So how it works is that you simply come on to a website like freeonlineservice.com, and then over here they basically have customers such as Air Canada, Dow Jones, Virgin Atlantic, and over here many more options as well. But all they do is that they basically give you questions that these brands might want to survey for, and then you simply answer those questions, and then once you guys answer those questions, and you guys end up making money with them. So that is how easy it is for you guys to get started with this particular method as well. And again, it's very easy. This is, like I said before, perhaps the easiest one, and I'm sure that you guys are going to be happy with what you guys can accomplish. Now, as compared to the other skills on this list, doing surveys online is the most easiest and perhaps the lowest paying skill, but of course it is still gonna make you money and you will make good money with this. So guys, these were the top 5 skills that pay up to $20 an hour. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.